In this lesson, we will see the connectors 그러면 or 그럼. 그럼 is just the shortened form of 그러면. 그러면 means then or in that case, and 그럼 also means the same. For example, 오늘 저녁에 만날까요? Someone is asking that question. Should we meet? Shall we meet today evening? And someone is responding like 죄송하지만 오늘 시간이 없어요. I'm sorry, but I don't have time today. Then the other person can say 그러면 내일 만날까요? In that case, then should we meet tomorrow? And we can also use 그럼 here. 그럼 내일 만날까요? 그러면 내일 만날까요? Both are fine. Let's take one more example. 저는 한국 음식을 좋아해요. Someone says that I like Korean food. Then the other person can respond like 그러면 한국 식당에 갈까요? In that case, then shall we go to a Korean restaurant? Or 그럼 한국 식당에 갈까요?